Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk about 5 valuable lessons to implement in life from the book How to Win Friends and Influence People. So, this is one of the greatest books of all times, and let's learn what are the 5 lessons we can learn from this book and we can implement this in our life to make our life much better. And whether it's in work, whether in our life, everywhere. This book is one of the greatest books of all times. So let's start. What are the lessons to learn from this book? So the first lesson we have to learn from this book is appreciate and make people feel good and important. It's really important. We have to appreciate the people we meet, our friends, our family, or the other people we meet at work. It's really important to appreciate them and make them feel important and really make them very feel good about themselves. If you appreciate them, like example, whenever you talk about them, whenever you tell them that you are appreciating their words, they're appreciating their work, and making them, whenever you greet them, if you use good nice words and you appreciate their work and you make them feel very good and important, and it's really helpful, and it really matters a lot. And second lesson we can learn from this book is we have to become genuinely interested in other people. We have to be if we need to be really win the hearts and the minds of the people. We really need to win their hearts and minds of the people by becoming genuinely interested in other people. So whatever they are talking about, it's about them, it's not about us. So we have to genuinely be interested in what they are telling, what they are speaking about, any topic, what they are discussing. So we have to be genuinely listen to them and genuinely interested in what they are talking about. It is one of the greatest lessons we can learn from this book, and that's how we win the friends, win the hearts and minds of the people. It's absolutely important. That's how you can influence the people. And third lesson we can learn is about talking in terms of other person's interests. So what happens normally is in our normal scenario, whenever we talk about ourselves, we always talk about, people like to talk about ourselves. We don't listen much on what other person have to say. But in this case, it will be really great. If you want to really win the hearts of the people and really the hearts and the minds of the people, you really need to have talk in terms of other person's interests. You have to listen to their interests, what their hobbies are. Make them talk more about themselves. Instead of you talking more, you speak less and let them talk about themselves more. Let them talk about their hobbies, what they like, what they don't like, what they like to discuss, of any favorite topics they would like to discuss. Let them speak more. The more you listen to them, they will definitely like you, and that's how you win the hearts and the minds of the friends, and that's how you influence the people, right? Now let's go to the next point. The next valuable lesson is be sympathetic with other person's ideas and respect their opinion. Definitely. If I have to give an example, say for example, you have whatever they have ideas in their mind, and whatever they discuss their thoughts in the mind, we have to, and for any discussion is going on, and we need to understand their point of view. We have to listen to their point of view actively, not for the sake of listening. We have to understand them actively, what they are speaking, and we have to respect their opinion. We should never only bombard our ideas. We should never tell about our ideas. We should also be very gaining their sympathy is very important in other person's ideas, about how they are sharing the ideas, and respecting their opinion. For example, if somebody wants to share their opinion about one X topic, you need to listen their ideas, because if you respect their opinion, they will be also be willing to respect your opinion as well, and they will be open to listen to your ideas as well. That's how you win the friends, their hearts and the minds of your friends, and the people are surrounding you at your workplace, surrounding it with your friends. It is absolutely important to be sympathetic with other person's ideas and respect their opinion, whatever it is, whether it's a good opinion or bad opinion. Respect to them and listen to their opinion. And last but not the least, last most valuable lesson I have learned from this book is admit your mistake quickly if you're wrong. The moment you have done a mistake and you realized your mistake, you should admit it immediately, even whenever you are wrong. That makes them more likable. That's how you win the trust of the people. That's how you win the respect of the people, and that's how you'll be able to influence the hearts and the minds of the friends and people around you. That's how the very important to accept them. For example, you have done a mistake and say that, hey, my friend, I forgot, I have done this mistake, and I think it's my mistake. You have to genuinely be accepting this mistake. It's not that you have to say that with the open hearted. You have to tell it, admit it, very nicely, saying that you are wrong, you admit your mistake. So people will start appreciating, and that's how you can win their hearts. So these are the 5 valuable lessons to summarize. That's how we can implement in life from this book. What we do is, whenever we read the book, we just we read the book and we keep the book aside. The whole objective of this channel is you have to learn the valuable lessons from this book and implement in real life. That's how the book should be applicable practically in your life, not just by reading the book, but also implementing those skills, those valuable lessons would we learn from the book to be implemented in our life. That's how we can progress and we can make our life better and our people's life better. So that's the whole idea about this channel, is to give value to everybody. I'm just sharing the lessons what I have learned so that everybody can be benefited from this channel. There are many more lessons from this book. If you would like to read this book, you can get the remaining lessons from this wonderful book. And so far, thank you for today. And if you have any feedback for this channel, please do write in our comment section, and we will get back to you with better improvement ideas as well. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe it, and please like the video and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video channel, in the next topic about it. Thank you so much. Bye.